Everyone thinks the best-selling blenders for crushing ice are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ninja Professional Plus Blender. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender with Auto IQ is a standout at $99.95. And honestly, the first thing that caught my eye was its powerful 1400-watt motor. If you want perfectly crushed ice for smoothies or frozen drinks, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this blender shines for you. The total crushing blades mean you can crush ice in seconds, making it perfect for those hot summer days when you want a refreshing margarita. Plus, the 72-ounce pitcher holds enough for the whole family, so no one gets left out. And with 3 Auto IQ presets, you don't even have to think about timing. It does the work for you, meaning less stress in the kitchen. With a stellar rating of 4.7 stars from nearly 19,300 reviews, it's clear folks love it. Now, some people complained about the noise level. It can get pretty loud when in full swing. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who loves blending drinks for gatherings, a little noise is a small price to pay for that smooth texture. This is perfect for you if you entertain often or have a big family that loves smoothies. Skip this one if you need something compact for a small kitchen, though, as this guy takes up some space. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a slightly lower price point without sacrificing power. Product number 2, Ninja Professional Blender. Next up is the Ninja Professional Blender, priced at $99, which is a solid choice too. It caught my attention with its 1000-watt power, perfect for ice crushing. If you are looking for something that still packs a punch, this might be the one for you. The 1000 watts mean it can tackle ice and tough ingredients with ease. The total crushing technology delivers impressive results, meaning you can whip up your favorite frozen drinks and smoothies in a flash. With a 72-ounce pitcher, you can make enough for everyone at the party. It has a high rating of 4.6 stars from over 59,200 reviews, so you can trust it's a reliable option. However, some users found it to struggle a bit with thicker mixtures. Here's the thing, if you're just making smoothies and frozen drinks, it performs excellently. But if you're trying to blend something super thick, you may have to give it a little help. This is perfect for families or anyone who wants to whip up large batches of smoothies quickly. Skip this if you are looking for a personal-sized blender though, as it's designed for bigger quantities. Now, if the size of the Ninja Professional Blender was a concern, this next option is compact yet powerful. Product number 3, Sanken Personal Smoothie Blender. The Sanken Personal Smoothie Blender is next at a budget-friendly price of $47.69. What grabbed my attention is its 1000-watt peak power in such a compact design. If you want something portable without sacrificing performance, this is a great choice. This blender comes with 3 BPA free-to-go cups, so you can blend and take your drinks anywhere: work, gym, or school. The upgraded 6-leaf blade means smoother textures, perfect for ice crushing and making silky protein shakes. Plus, at 4.5 stars from 860 reviews, it's getting some good feedback from users. The downside, some users found the cups a bit small for larger batches. But here's the thing, if you're on the go or just making a quick shake, these sizes are actually pretty convenient. This is perfect for students, commuters, or anyone who has a busy lifestyle. Skip this if you want to make larger batches at once though, as you'll probably be refilling often. Alright, that was a solid choice for portability, but if you want something with a bit more power without breaking the bank, keep watching. Product number 4, Bear Blender. Now let's talk about the Bear Blender, priced at $29.99, which is incredibly affordable. I was surprised by its 700 watts of power for this price. If you're looking for a blender that gets the job done without emptying your wallet, this one's worth considering. With a 40-ounce capacity, it's great for small families or single servings. The adjustable 3-speed control means you can crush ice or puree fruits with ease. Plus, it has a self-cleaning feature which genuinely surprised me. Just add soap and warm water and it cleans itself. It has a solid rating of 4.2 stars from 1,200 reviews. However, some users mentioned it can be a bit underwhelming with really tough ingredients. But here's the thing, if you're mainly blending smoothies and soft ingredients, it works perfectly. This is perfect for anyone on a tight budget or who just needs a simple blending solution. Skip this if you're into heavy-duty blending because it might not meet those needs. Now, if you want something with a little more versatility, the next blender on my list might catch your attention. Product number 5, Kolar Limo 12-piece smoothie blender. Lastly, we have the Kolar Limo 12-piece smoothie blender priced at $49.99. What really stood out to me is its impressive 25,000 RPM speed. If you want something powerful that also comes with a ton of accessories, this is hard to beat. The upgraded 6-leaf blades make crushing ice and blending tough ingredients a breeze. It's rated 4.3 stars from 1,300 reviews, indicating solid performance. The easy one-touch operation is another feature that makes it user-friendly. Some users found the motor could overheat if used continuously. Here's the thing, though, if you're mindful of not overloading it, you'll have a reliable blender. This is perfect for anyone who wants versatility in their blending options. So to wrap it all up, we have the Ninja Professional Plus with its powerful motor, the Ninja Professional for a dependable option, the Sanken for on-the-go use, the Bear for budget-friendly needs, and the Kolar Limo for those wanting versatility. Each has its strengths, so pick one that fits your lifestyle best.